Hello, welcome to video number 65. I'm Mr. Miller.
And I'm Ms. Les.
It is freezing cold outside. It's a cold day in February, so a good day to do math.
Oh, yes.
All right, today we're going to talk about some perimeter puzzles. All right? So here's our first example. Usually perimeter doesn't cause us a lot of trouble because we just add up the outside of the figure. But these figures are missing some measurements, and that's why it's a puzzle. So on this first one, we're missing 3 sides.
Right.
And we may not be able to find them exactly, but we can find their total. That's kind of the weird thing about this.
Yeah,
So
pen is acting out. So if I take a look at this side, it's 225 feet.
yep,
So if you realize this side, right here on the top, if I put these 2 pieces together, they also have to add up to 225.
they match the bottom. So let's write that down. We got 225 for the bottom, 225 for those pieces. So it looks like they're divided in half, but I really don't know that. And actually, it doesn't matter. We just need to know their total.
The total,
That's kind of the weird
absolutely.
thing here. All right, then that side is 150.
So 150 over here. And again, if I go right here on the right, this piece and this piece has to add up to 150. So I have 150 plus 150. Okay, so our total is
750.
750 feet.
So this time, this little missing piece, that vertical missing piece, we could have realized that it was
Yeah,
70,
figure
but
it
no,
out,
so we didn't
absolutely.
even have to. We just need to know that the total of the 2 vertical pieces over there were 150.
50.
All right, look at this next one. What are we missing?
Okay, so I'm missing this horizontal side right here. Okay, so if we go over it, but I also noticed that this side, let's go over it again, is made up of these 3 pieces. So I have 4 meters over here, 4 meters over here, and 4 meters over here. So that will give us 12 meters.
Okay. Then, now we can just add everything up. I do believe you get 24 and 16.
Okay, so 12 plus 12 for it. So I have 12 over here, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4, 12.
Right.
Plus, I still have these vertical pieces.
Right? So,
4 of them, so that's 16.
yep. 28, 16, I think 34.
Okay, so 34 meters.
All right, that's kind of
Okay,
like the
right.
trick for all of them. We're going to do several examples, and then we'll give you a couple to practice. So on this one, we're missing 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces,
So,
but we'll still be okay.
so again, if I look at this vertical side, it is the same, or it's matching these 2 pieces. So I have 10 on the left, plus these 2 pieces again will add up to 10 centimeters.
Right,
Plus, if I look at the side, okay, let's go over this again. So my side on the top right here, this one is 8 centimeters.
right. And then those 2 horizontal
And this
pieces.
side is matching. Okay,
Yeah.
so these 2 pieces again have to add up to 8. So plus 8.
Right,
Plus 8.
and again, we don't know, we actually don't have enough information to tell what each piece is, but we know the total. And that's all we care about today. 20 plus 16 is 36. Oh, you were ahead of me. I wasn't even looking. All right,
Next one.
1 missing piece.
1 missing piece. Yes, but again we have to add all of them. So if I look at the left, I have 13. Okay, and the right side, 6 plus 7. This one is given, but again this is 13. So I have 13 plus 13 plus, if you look at this side, this piece is 10 and this piece is 5. So that's a total of 15. And we'll get the same measurement for the top side. So this one is also 15.
So I noticed that instead of kind of going around the figure, like if they were all there, we can't do it that way. You're doing horizontally and then vertically. Or,
I
okay,
think it's easier for these types of
right.
problems.
And you just gotta make sure you count for all the pieces. So when you're doing these, like Ms. Les is doing, you might want to highlight them or underline them. Make sure you counted for everything. 56.
56? Okay. So 56 and meters in this case. See, it's going to disappear. Yep. Okay, so 56 meters.
All right, 2 more examples. Let's see what we got. Okay, this first one doesn't look too bad.
Okay, cool. So again, 20 perimeter equals 20 plus, again, I'm going to do the stop side. So these two pieces have to be 20, or I know this must be 8.
Right.
But I'm just going to go 20 plus 20 plus, if I go on the vertical side, I have 16 plus these two pieces again.
They
have to
match
add
the
up.
left side, so okay. So I think you get 72.
Take your word for it.
I got ahead of
72
you for a change.
centimeters.
All right, I'm caught up. Wow, look at this. It's missing 3 pieces, right? Those 3
So
top
this one
pieces.
is a little different, but I can still go with the horizontal side.
True. Not every problem we can do this method with, but a lot of problems we can do. So
So,
there might be a couple more challenges coming.
so if this is 9, I know right here, this piece and this piece and this piece has to be 9 as well. Plus, now I have this little,
Well, everything else is marked.
right, so I can just add.
Right.
I have 5 over here, plus 2, plus 3, and plus 6. Okay, so what are we getting this case?
25. I get 34.
Centimeters again. Okay, awesome. So that's
All
our
right.
last example.
So when you realize that, you know, that we just need the total of each side, we can do it. Okay, so there's just 2 for you. Please copy these quickly, so it won't take you long. Just draw these, so when we check your journal, we see what the problem was, and find their perimeters. Right? Just 2 problems.
That's all. Good luck.
All right.